Welcome to TrueHost Academy. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of designing an eye-catching WordPress homepage. Whether you're building a site for a business, a blog, or a personal portfolio, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your WordPress site is up and running. If you haven't installed WordPress yet, check out our quick setup tutorial linked in the description. Once you're logged into your WordPress dashboard, it's time to choose a theme. A theme controls your site's design and layout, so pick one that fits your vision. Navigate to Appearance and then Themes. Browse through the available options or search for a specific theme. Themes like Astra and GeneratePress work well, but for this tutorial, we'll install GeneratePress themes. Click Install and then Activate to set your theme live. Many themes come with demo content to help you get started. Now, let's customize your homepage. Go to Appearance and then Customize. This will open the WordPress Customizer where you can adjust settings in real time. Here you can set your site title and tagline and upload your logo. To change the layout and colors, use the colors and typography options. To create a custom homepage, go to Pages and click Add New. Title it Home and add the content you want. Text, images, or any other element. When you are contented with it, publish it. Next, we need to set this page as your home page. Go to Settings and select Reading. In the Your Home Page Displays section, choose a static page and select Home from the drop-down menu. Save your changes. Widgets are great for adding functionality and design elements to your home page. Go to Appearance and then Widgets to add and arrange widgets in your sidebar or footer. For additional features, consider using plugins like Elementor or WP Bakery for advanced page building. These tools allow you to create custom layouts with drag and drop simplicity. Think about including sections like an introduction, services, testimonials, and a strong call to action. For better visibility, optimize your homepage for SEO. Install an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO and add relevant keywords and meta descriptions. Before publishing, preview your homepage. Check how it looks on different devices and browsers to ensure everything is perfect. Once you're happy with the design and content, go ahead and publish your changes. And there you have it, a well-designed WordPress homepage. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. Drop any questions or suggestions in the comments below. See you next time.